What's up everyone? So today we're leaving for France. We're gonna go to BARCARES for the Lord of TRAM. Now we're gonna go to the airport of Tenerife and then take the plane, arrive to Barcelona, drive to France, and tomorrow the forecast look already super good. So we're gonna get some training. Yeah. Yo guys, on our way to the airport. Let's go! What's up guys? So yeah, we're now on our way to the airport. We're gonna take the flight and yeah, I was just checking the forecast. And actually it looked quite good for Tuesday and Wednesday for some training. On Wednesday probably a bit stronger, maybe to pull some double loops. And yeah, now the competition is off for Tuesday and Wednesday. Next week looks a bit more of wind, so maybe they will do it Monday or Tuesday next week. So that's actually good because I get a bit of time to train in BARCARES, and I actually never kited that much there. Just arrived in Barcelona. We just took the car and now we're driving to France. It's quite late, so we're gonna arrive quite late at the spot, and tomorrow the wind is looking fire, so stay tuned. What's up everyone? So for Monday it's green light for Lord of TRAM. I've been here the past few days and I've been training a lot, and it's really been nice condition. I really hope the wind is gonna be pumping because I have some new epic warfares that I wanna show in the competition. So this year the level is super high in big air. There are a lot of good riders and also a lot of young kids like my brother that is 14 and is competing already in his first GK this year, and is crazy, sending big doubles, triple loop as well, and it's gonna be his first competition, so I'm so happy to compete against him. I think he is gonna do super good. This year the organization is super big. There are a lot of people involved in working, more than 60, and everyone is putting a lot of effort into the event, starting from Tristan and Cedric and all the other. And I'm really sure it's gonna be an amazing event and everything is gonna be super great and super fantastic, because the work that they're putting into the event is just crazy. So yeah, I've been training here in France already for 3 days. The wind was super good. One day was really strong and I was able to pull some big double loops. And now the last 3 days I've been chilling and getting ready for a competition because of no wind. And tomorrow finally the wind looks like it's coming back in and they just called the competition green light.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did.
What's up everyone? It's Sunday afternoon and we just made the registration for Lord of TRAM 2024. Tomorrow finally is green light and looks like the wind is gonna be on. So stay tuned. It's gonna be an amazing competition and I'm gonna sending it really hard. Let's go.
I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah.